It's time for Money Matters, and we're joined today by Josh Bradley from Capital City Financial Partners. Hi, Josh.
Hello.
Can you tell me a little bit about some of the most common frauds that you see this year?
Yeah, the common frauds are kind of the same as last year, whether it's investment scams, phishing, and identity theft. Those have been around and are going to stick around. The problem, though, is that they've become more and more complex and harder to spot.
What advice can you give to people to help us avoid falling for these frauds?
Yeah, the biggest thing is I would say trust no one. Text, emails, phone calls, I wouldn't trust any of them. So if you get a text especially, even from somebody you know asking for finances, always call that person back to get verbal authorization. The second thing is if you see an email, even if you recognize the company, I would go and open up a separate window and go directly to the website versus clicking on anything in an email. The third thing is if you get a phone call from what even is your bank or credit card, I would ask them to call them back to verify that that is the correct number. Then in general security measures, two-factor authentication is available on almost all financial accounts, so setting that up prevents almost all logins to your account. And the last thing is freezing your credit. It's a free service where you can shut down your credit report so that nobody can access it.
Are there any other red flags or warning signals we should look for?
Yeah, unfortunately, with technology getting better, we used to be able to spot these through grammatical errors. However, it's harder to spot. And so I go back to my first rule earlier, which is I trust no one to send any money unless I go and check it third party or call the person directly.
Thank you so much for that helpful advice.
Absolutely.
For more information and resources to help make your money matter, visit the Money Matters page on WISTV.com.